Google BigQuery is basically a data warehousing technology on a very high level perspective, and it is basically a serverless. So what is serverless technology? When I say serverless technology, that means like you pay for the amount of data you process. So you don't worry how many servers are getting created behind the scene. You will be just charged for the amount of data that you will process. So let's say we buy a car, then that is a data center. So we are not buying a car here. We are not buying our own machines, so that we don't have our own data center. But second, so renting a car is starting a virtual machine on the cloud, which is again like you are paying for the virtual machine even if there is no traffic on the website. So if you are renting a car and you are not driving it, then also you have to pay because you rented a car for a day. Third option is like you hire a Uber. So when you hire a Uber, then you pay for the trip. Same thing, serverless architecture, Google BigQuery, you are paying for the trip or paying for the amount of data you process rather than paying for the number of servers that are getting created behind the scene. So this is basically serverless from layman's perspective or high level perspective. So if you see, we don't have to manage database here because managing database is a very big task. If you are having thousands of machines in the cluster, so BigQuery, you can have 10,000 or more than that, like the cluster. You can understand like Google's compute power, and it's basically Earth scale computer. When we say Earth scale computer, you can understand like the kind of investments Google has made into the infrastructure and kind of infrastructure Google is having, the reliability Google provides us. So managing such kind of infrastructure is not easy. Even if you are having a small data center in your on-prem, then also managing the infra is not easy because you have to install, you have to upgrade, you have to monitor, you have to basically replace hard disks, and there are so many things need to be done, like capacity planning needs to be done. So many things you have to see as an administrator. So it's a pain if you are an administrator of databases or you are an administrator of Hadoop cluster. You face a lot of challenges because like multi-tenancy also needs to be managed. Every department will require different version of the technology. Then how you will ensure that the departments are getting the right version of the technology and it is compatible with their applications. So there are so many things that you need to see as an administrator. So you can actually avoid such pain by using Google BigQuery. So if you have any questions, feel free to ping on the chat. I will be keenly looking for your questions on the chat. So hope you got some idea like what is BigQuery. BigQuery is basically fully managed, so no ops. You don't have to worry about managing hardware. You just move your data in and then fire the queries, right? So this is one thing, but other aspects are also there in BigQuery. For example, if you want to implement some use case like change data capture, or you want to apply some machine learning, so Google BigQuery provides this ML capabilities also. So I will show you some examples for machine learning as well. But for the time being, I hope you got at least high level idea what is Google BigQuery.